Hey everybody, fins up, it's Katie and I'm here with your tour from Margaritaville Sea Islanders ship. This room's a premium extended balcony room and holds 2 people. On each side of the bed, there is a lamp with 2 USB ports. This room had some pretty good storage. In the desk area, there were cubbies to the left and a nice drawer with a hairdryer in it. On the right side of the desk, there was a mini fridge that kept drinks cool, but we found we had to leave the door open so it could ventilate properly and really work efficiently. Room service was available, but it came at an upcharge. Because of the sideways layout of the room, the balcony was a little bit wider. The bathroom was a good size, it had good storage, and was mostly okay, except for the fabric shower curtain. The closet space was pretty average for a cruise room, and the safe was very compact. Overall, the room was great. We had a fun, comfortable cruise. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe.